Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix desktop icons not showing on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you find that your desktop icons have suddenly disappeared on Windows 11, there is a simple toggle to bring them back. First, right-click on an empty space on your desktop. From the context menu that appears, navigate to the View option. Within the View submenu, you will see an option that says, Show Desktop Icons. If this option has a checkmark next to it, your icons should be visible. However, if the checkmark is absent, it means the icons are currently hidden. To restore them, simply click on Show Desktop Icons again to place the checkmark back. You should immediately see your desktop icons reappear. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.